The pace of the world moving forward rapidly. AI is reshaping your and my lives. Sci-fi, technology, the birth of new technologies constantly breaks the boundaries of imagination. It also injects more possibilities for the dream of AI robots. Kimdai Intelligent Innovation Technology Company Limited was officially established in Shenzhen in 2016. It is a high-tech enterprise that integrates the capability of robot research and development, production, and sales, committed to providing customers with innovative one-stop intelligent product landing services. Since its establishment, we have always adhered to innovation and continuously explored ways for technology to empower our lives, to research, develop and produce more high-quality AI products. We have built research and development centers and production bases in Shenzhen, Guangdong, and Handan, Hebei. We have established a research and development team of more than 200 people, which provides a strong foundation for the research and development of higher quality AI robot products. We have more than 50,000 square meters of precision manufacturing workshops, using advanced automated production equipment, precision testing machine, and modern production management processes. We provide one-stop intelligent product landing service, including product research and development, mold design and production, injection molding, PCBA, electronic product assembly and testing, quality management, and after-sales services to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Our average annual shipment volume can reach 3 million units, and they are being exported to over 20 countries and regions worldwide, bringing intelligent lifestyles to over 400 cities. We have always been committed to providing customers with excellent products and perfect services. Together with well-known brands at home and abroad, we have developed and produced 5 major intelligent robot series, including educational robots, pet robots, metaverse, cleaning robots, and elderly care robots. Making life more intelligent and make technology warmer. On the path of AI exploration, we have repeatedly overcome technological barriers in the field of robot intelligent manufacturing, obtained over 100 domestic and foreign intellectual property patents, and won high recognition from the industry and society. To give back to society and make more robot dreams come true, we have created a youth science and technology innovation education base that integrates interactive experience, display and exchange, competition activities, and empowerment training, allowing the spirit of technological exploration to be passed down to the next generation. The times continue to move forward, and technology leads to change. A brand new era of artificial intelligence is awakening. Kimdai Intelligence, exploring and seeking the future, goes to the covenant of the times with you.
金大秉承着客户至上、团结奋斗、求实创新、感恩回馈的价值观，致力于服务机器人的持续研发。金大从未停止追逐产品和技术创新的脚步，为成为一家可持续发展的全球知名 AI 企业不断进步，为创造美好 AI 生活而不断奋斗。
金大智能，创造 AI 美好生活。